Hey guys, I bought this product from Flipkart. This is a home gym kit. Let me open this and let us check what we got from Flipkart. This product I bought only with the rupees of 1339.
Before unboxing, let us check the order and whatever they mentioned, whether it is available on the box or not.
So can you see? This is the product I bought. Let me open each and every one and assemble it. This is the bag, and those are the weights. You can see those are the weights. I'll open each and every one. So there are many weights. There are total only 20 kgs. And you can see here, let me open each and every one. Now let me assemble it. You can use one more weight also, like this. You can see. And here also you can put weight. You can see here, this is the like this, and there is a clamp, and fix it with this clamp. You see here, just press it and enter it and release it, and you see this will not go, and like that take this one up to this.